Okay, so here's my old 2005 VN800 Kawasaki. I pulled it out of storage a month or so ago. You would have seen a previous video of it. I've got a battery there, it's sitting on the charge. I'm going to see if it starts. I haven't done anything to it, I haven't even checked the oil, if it's got any oil in it. So I know there's a bit of petrol in it. I don't know how odd the petrol is, even if it's any good. So I'm going to take these leads off, put them down there for the moment, and I'm going to put you over here, sit just down. Let's see if we can fire it up. Lights will come on, so neutral. Smell it. Oh, I'll put the battery on charge again and we'll have another go. Okay, it's the next morning, next day. I've charged the battery and I'll put some fresh petrol in it. So we're going to see if it'll start now.